Well, we are at the Community Market Day in downtown Wetumpka, Alabama. And all the vendors are here with all different kind of products. We have the pure local honey. Look at that. Look at that tea right there and those sunflowers. Good. How are you guys doing today?
We're doing good. How are you?
Good. Doing great. Doing great. We'll walk around here and see what we got going on today. The Twisted Spoon, they're always here. Pierce Farms is always here. They always got great produce.
It's rained for 2 days if you're not going to eat them. Yeah, they're good, but I don't know.
The first Thursday of every month until November. So, Sue, tell me about this.
Well, this is my daughter's business. It's called the Buttered Bunt.
Okay.
And she makes all these cakes and goodies.
Is this her first time here?
Yes, I believe it is. And her name's Crystal.
Hey, Crystal.
Hey, how are you?
I'm well.
Good. Got all kinds of desserts here today. Got butt cakes and cookies and
this is your first time.
Yeah,
This is your first time here. Yeah.
We've got our butt truffles, which are really popular over here on the other sides.
So, do you have a website or something?
I don't have a website. I just
Crystal?
have a Facebook page because I recently started.
What is your Facebook page?
It's the Buttered Bunt.
The Buttered Bunt.
Yep, and you'll find us. We're located in Tallahassee, but we travel around.
Okay.
And we can deliver if needed.
Well, good deal.
Yeah.
All right, welcome to the Wetumpka Community Market.
I've enjoyed it. Thank you so
Okay.
much for having me.
Okay.
A sunset.
Crochet on the Coosa.
Hey there, how are y'all?
Good. How are you?
And they're actually crocheting back here. Hey.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Perfect weather. Yeah.
Well, I remembered to pray for no rain, but I forgot to pray for no wind.
There you go.
Note to self.
Crochet on the Coosa. There you go. Those look like little beehives.
I don't think you're ever comfortable the last one we caught.
Hey there, how are y'all? That's what she said. Hey, it's Allie, Wally Bless. How are y'all doing?
Good.
Yay!
How is everything with Wildly Blessed?
Everything blessed.
Blessed.
Very blessed.
There you
yes. Love and life.
Very good.
Yes, and this is my friend Fiona, and we have the same color hair, pink.
There you go.
Yes.
There she is.
That's Fiona.
All right.
And Allie. Look at the
All
camera.
right. Hard on something there. What are you making?
Fresh squeezed lemonade.
Ah, fresh squeezed lemonade. All right. Is this as good as Tumor's Corner lemonade?
Is it what?
As good as Tumor's Corner lemonade?
You know, I've never had. I don't go up that way.
Really? Ooh. Okay.
I'm assuming that's an offer.
I'll leave it there.
It's 100.
Hey, how are you doing?
% organic and natural, and so you do this kind of cleaning.
The waxworks.
Zero waste. I use it. You cannot use it in the body.
Okay, these are the folks from the Grumpy Dog. And tell me what you have here.
Oh, tonight we're serving our Cornish game hen, and it has an Asian marinated for 24 hours. It's roasted and served over fried rice with kimchi and broccoli.
Wow, that looks fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Fantastic. That's not like a grumpy dog.
No, it's a little diversion from what we normally do.
There you go.
Trying something new.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
So we have shrimp and grits.
Yes, sir, right here. Would you like to do a little snap on it?
Oh man, look at that.
Delicious.
Everybody loves shrimp and
Jack.
grits.
Do you have any fried moon pie?
We do across the street.
Right across.
Ah, they do have fried moon pies, but just not here.
Yes, sir.
It would be a riot if we had. Inside the video.
Serving the shrimp and grits.
Would you like scallions?
Yes, please.
I'll take care of the scouting. I love you two crosses there. The tiger, bring the shirt.
Oh, no. I think it's supposed to be
Village kids. Well, it wouldn't be Community Merchants Day without Wanda, would it? Hey, Wanda.
Hey, Jack. How you doing?
Good. Beautiful day.
It is a nice day.
We're starting another year.
Yes.
All right.
Hey, y'all
Gourmet
coming
cheese
over?
balls.
Yes, sir.
Y'all coming over and try some samples?
You doing all right? This is the first time you've been here?
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the Community Market Day. You guys have an online presence?
Yes, sir.
We're on Facebook.
You're on Facebook?
Chief of Cheese. It's right here on our cards.
Okay, I got it. Yeah,
Yep.
Chief of Cheese.
And and we have the blends and stuff listed.
Oh, well, great. Great. Looks good.
Thank you. If there's something you'd like to try when you get
No,
done with this, let us know.
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Well, we have yoga for him.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm well. I'm well. So this is your first time doing the community market here in the alley, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Well, are you going to come back again
Yes, sir. Next month, hopefully.
next month? Yeah, the first Thursday of the month.
Yes.
Good deal.
Yes.
Okay.
Be
Good to
back.
see you.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Well, we have Holly Pond Cakes, Wetumpka, Alabama. Amy,
Hi.
hey, how are you doing?
Good.
Tell me about your Holly Pond Cakes.
We have 5 different flavors today. We have lemon, chocolate, peanut butter, original, and strawberries and cream.
Wow, and you have samples here, I see.
I do. We have lemon.
Very good. It is very good, by the way. I just tried one.
Great.
Okay, good to see you.
Good seeing you too.
Because they're a troop animal. They want to be with you. If they're not with you all day, you get that all the time.
Oh, that's not bad.
Southern Twist. Wow. You have Wetumpka stuff. Me too. Very good.
This is baby all the way up to curtains.
There you go.
Something for everybody.
Good to see you guys again. Hey, how are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Grace Point Church. I know where that's at. I go by it all the time on the way to Dallas. There you go. Good deal. Swift Tide Clothing Company.
Yeah, Mr. Jack.
There's old Santa Claus.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, believe it or not, that guy was Santa at Christmas time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, does a good job. Does a good job. Good to see you again, Carl.
Good to see you too.
Central Alabama Master Gardeners.
We are. We'll invite you to our plant sale on May the 7th.
Okay, very good. May the 7th, the plant sale on Queen Anne Road in Wetumpka.
It is at the extension office. And if you need advice on growing orchids, Judy's a specialist.
Wow, she's a specialist in growing orchids?
She is. She's got this one blooming since January.
Whoa, that's awesome. Good to see you guys.
It's good to see you.
Well, we're over here with Teresa Makes and Bakes and all of her goodies. She's got a little bit of everything. How are you doing, Teresa?
Great.
It's been a long, cold winter, hasn't it?
It is. I'm glad to be back.
Yeah, me too. Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Hey, I'm over here with Rutledge Rogers, and he is raising money for a jamboree in West Virginia with the Boy Scouts. That's great. That's great. When are you planning on going?
2023.
2023, okay. So you have to raise a lot of money for that, don't you?
Yes, sir. $1,000.
Wow. Well, I think you can do it. Yeah, you keep up this good work and you'll do it. My son was an Eagle Scout. Yeah. Good deal. All right, Rutledge, good to see you again. Blue Ribbon Dairy.
That's us.
So how are things?
Homemade ice cream and kids.
How are things going in Kent?
They're going pretty good.
Good deal.
Cows staying fed.
Yeah.
The cows are staying fed. Well, that's a good thing. We made it through the winter, didn't we?
Made it through the winter. Now we can make it through the spring safely.
There you go. Right after that tornado yesterday, came right through there.
Yeah, we're right in the woods.
There
right
you go.
in the woods with us, so.
All right, good to see you guys again.
See?
Well, that just about winds up this video for the Community Market Day for April. And we'll be back next month in May, the first Thursday, for another one. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.